Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to write a program to calculate frequency of each character in a sentence. Okay, so let's start with that. So first we need to include a library that is studio.h. It's used for input and output. Without this, your program cannot perform any input and output operations. So it's compulsory to include in your program. Okay, so let's start with that. Now, first what we need to do is whenever suppose someone has written this as input, so we have to calculate how many times A has occurred in this string, how many times F has occurred. The same way for each character. Okay, so for that, first what we need is we need a count which is going to be incremented when we found a variable. Okay, after that we need a character array in which we store the input which is given by the user. So I'm taking str and the size is 100. After that, asking user to enter the string. So enter string, and after that need to store this string into this char variable. So how to do that? For that, just get s and str pass. Here now we have stored the value in this. After this, we have to execute a for loop of, in this we have to actually take this char type and we have to execute it from A to Z. Okay, so I'm taking char I equals A, but A should be in this quotes. Okay, so it is a character type, that's why we have to write like this, and it's starting from A and it should be less than or equal to Z. It means that it's start from A and move to Z by incrementing plus plus. Okay. After that, inside this loop, each time we have to execute the loop. For this, the user has whatever. Suppose user has entered a string. My name is Vedic Days. So the inner loop will execute this much time, and when the first value A is compared by M, then Y, in the same way compare it till last, and after that it will print that A uh, found this much of times. Okay, so how to do that? For that you need to just take one more loop, that is for loop, and this can be, okay, so it can be something, whatever, it can be teaser type, and after that you have to write this strj not equals not equals null and j plus plus, this way. So whenever this found in the this array character array, then this inner loop will stop working, and for the each time we have to compare this with the each value of this. Okay, so how to do that? For that we need to check that if I contains the value a and in the second iteration it will be b, so I will be being compared with str of j. Okay, and if it founds, then increment the count plus plus. Okay, suppose in the first iteration a comes here, I will be compared with the first value, that is m, then it's not equal, so count will not be incremented. And here you can see this in the second iteration I value will be the same, but j value is changing. J now become 1, so now it will be compared with y. It will be compared with y, but still it's not same, so count value is not increment. When it come here, now it found a, so it will be incremented. Okay, so after this we found that how many times a is in the string. Okay, so I will print this printf what has occurred. So I am just taking %c because I want to print the character, that which characters occurred how many times. So this occurs how many times? So %d, because we have to print the numbers. So first thing is I, and after that what we want to print is count. And after printing we want that counts to become 0, because if we are not changing it to 0 then it will be incremented. Suppose a found 3 times and after that just checking for b, then we will be incremented 3 plus 1 4 5, and the same way it will show larger number. Okay, so count equals 0 and just execute it, and we will see that we get the exact output what we wanted. Let me just type my name is, we take this and hit enter. Here you can see this a occurs 2 times, b occurs 1 time, but here you can see this f is not in our string but is still showing that f is 0 times. So how to resolve this? For that you just need to add one if condition, that is if count is greater than 0 then only print this. Okay, so let me just cut and paste it here and just execute it. Now you will see here you can see this a occurs 2 times, b occurs 1 time, and now we have only those characters which is in our string. Okay, so that's it for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for more videos stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon. Thanks.